Wona ubuade. Wo na ubuade. Up to now kura wo muade. Say so mo ye yi anama ye dwa bi. Mo wi anama sa ko kase industry mu bone.
So we blame you in the society. First of all, I say na no blame me juju in the film industry. Or here or say the colleagues na ni breno. And then the one who obi to say na Mama Brown na ni ba. When all the arrows are against you, you need to assess yourself. You will be a friend, self-examination. Find out what you do wrong.
As a man of fear, industry now, bonny woman, industry now, you to do, industry, and not page out. And on a man, you will deal, baby. And a man, who never take a sack as ye. And to yes, I am no me, my would do no.
Oh, I expose you FM Bruce. Pacho, who subscribe ya bad man subscribe it na share no bin sunyabi. Ya ba Portia ni for the channel. Portia Asare mo amuni no. Actress a obeka se mebre ya. Sabe na yesi o ka etia na Mama Brown. O ka ya meka wa say na Mama Brown na minim no ente sa. No. Because na Mama yo bi asabe oginipa efeso. Na sanya no mo ka asem ne de na aye te se na Nama waye obi ope anuonyam bi nam se dabi enye no kore na efi ho no menya 2 videos ba 2 videos mbese me boni na bese me bo Awuni ye mami Awuni. Do you know why I want to play Awuni? Obi onim ye mami Awuni e wo film industry me say oye principled and straightforward na ensem yo kan no me pese wo su kwatie bi na ba me bie nsem material
so wa kasa juju me ko sha punu bua me twa ni so first san me bi so dia sam na o kan dia na o ye wa sa no tie Portia no sa no tie that's a life on penipa enti minim die wo no wa hunu a wa yiri no ho a wo kasa asem no pese wo no mom na pese wo gu adwuma no adwuma de aka na ye na kakrakra no ono Portia na pese wo gu sa adwuma no o time de wo ye dan ya obi betaw na wo said wo chiwo wo ba said so wo chiwo ho a wo pese nipa oye odan wo chia na se na obi si agye so kra no a different sen obi wu nipa wo set so yet say ne abam te say na Mama no ne Vivian J no ne omo nyina keka ho no they are lovely omo nya wo be wo mo na wo bi atimi mewa wo ka che yes ye no why na nkodo tie ne beba wo ko gina airport to say hino ko gina ya ye interview say adwuma no nkola ne muade nkola muade nti obejai wo na obuade wo na obuade up to now kura wo muade say so mo me ye anama ye dwa bi mo wi anama sa ko kase industry mu bone asa kwa na wo fie industry na bone wo industry na ye tujuju industry eno na pagyaw eno na man ne ye bo udi wo ba bia ene e man ne unya advert akese ye etu ye say ye no me ma wo do me wo ho enti si em friend adwuma no otifia na ha no aba no oba be keka sansem no na oye den wo kosoro eba fom no obi mpo a wa na tie no obi a wo ye saman a wonam ha oye saman wo ne nsamafo na didie okotena sama di ne birthday ko bibia na okọ akobodua bibia no na nkofo tie na ye den
aha so akọ ya ba yes suban atise nyinsen wo ye den obawo he in some way matete bia che yes ye nua ba Portia Asare suban bi wo ne ho a actors and actresses nde bia no complaining about one suban na wo ne ho a no ka meti de bia ye say oye obi o self-centered ye kase obi e self-centered a obi o pese light ne turn so anytime na nko amu number 2 mate say so on penipa we ye mami Awuni no kan o so on penipa so atiase enuti reaction na o si obi e de chair ne ye nia woye nipa ne wo baabi a enne wahu se wote baabi a you expect say why me bi ba me hu wo nipa nim de me say member out na me na obi a hu say me ne wo no it doesn't work that way What you sow is what you reap. Ni awon bema me no eno na me bema wo. Sa na wiase ne te. Because we share nsem bi a lady ne keka na worry sem obi oba wo bosu sei. E de na nyame ma anantuo eto uye tuntum ka ho. Respect pa. Anya easy. Ya ma bibia. Ba nim. Ya ma san nyama ni nyina ka ade baako. Ade na de oba ekọ aware no. Enye eto. Enye spec. Enye class. Enye suban. Because utie aware mienu ni nyina wa ware. Any complaints ni nyina. Who said there is something wrong with this lady? I'm telling you. Either oye so immature say onim nyoka and I'm not onye ready for marriage. I'm telling you. Because in some no kano in some oba fufra ankobe go around it. Mama one typical example. There are women omoye corporate women married. They've been married for 30-40 years. They still keep their job and then their home clean. Ya will be swa every time no a person make everything what excuse. Sa oba ni bi no second oba no ware na obe bre me catch it all. Ono e bo crown no asan dan asem no to favor her. That's how I see it. Because unim obi ewiase untimi kan che say I'm also the problem no. Na aka obebre enyo kakra. Yes, because unim so we blame you in the society. First of all, I say na no blame juju in the film industry. Or here or say the colleagues nani breno. And then the one obi to say na mama brown nani ba. And then the one. And the person make hard on you. But niyama na oka bisa say iti when them nyina no mo kan are they all wrong and then na maya I shouldn't been doing ya omo nyina against me. When all the arrows are against you. You need to assess yourself. Your baby friend say self what? You need to self-examine, self-examination. Find out what you do wrong. It can't be said the whole world will be against you and then you alone will be what? Right. It doesn't happen. Now we share sister ways where I think that's how she is. Often said the whole world is against her and she's always right. Oh boy, you are wrong. Mima minia onya mema mi po ye minia ba e bi kwa ne manya asen se once sa wusuban na wudi eto wotu na chi and answer the way you see the world na no na you live in your whole world madam obenanti a chet ankodam because send your kano dem akwa wunya nya bi send your kautie you should be everybody's dream every man. But there is something wrong with you. Even the industry that you are in, maintain say, ya mami awuni akwaka omi ho asem da bo say wo dia wo nye. Obeka ya kad etia nana mama brown. You need to assess yourself. Na mo anamutie na mo kase o e bia lady no na say massa o say me catch am say lady way. You see there's always two sides to a story. Utie ha no watie ha. Utie mienu na be bom. Portia sakra. Because say obi abodi no enye video back because be me pesa me bona ni pa go into details of na warrior no see actress. Na o kire ne ntia be ma ni jai no. Also ko tie the be ma version na wanu beto. Enti enkase obi atan wo. The only time I refer to be time is when you yourself, you don't assess yourself. And where to your wise is enough. I expose you HFM members who shall now from here. Major Manuel. Bye bye.